Hello guys, this is Hunter Stewart from Hunter Stewart Hobbies. Tonight we are going to Hardy, Milepost 25 on the CN Dundas Subdivision in Brantford, Ontario. Before we get in this video, why don't you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn notification bells on, and let's see if we can get any trains tonight. Here comes the next scene, roll it. Alright, we got a CN train coming down the line. The time is now 7:58 p.m. Waiting forever for this guy. So what do we got for power on this train? We got 3046 leading. The 3205. Symbol on this train, I know this train came out of Brampton or Mall Terminal and it's heading towards Vancouver, British Columbia area. Not sure whether it's 137 or 139 or 187. Someone has to correct me on this train. Someone has to write on the comments and tell me what ID this is. All on this April 29th, 2025 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. I don't think there's a debut on this train. I don't think. This train's freaking long, eh? See, there's no DPU after all. There's the end of that unknown westbound intermodal train. Off it goes to the west coast while it detours through the States. Anyways, let's see if there's any more trains coming. If not, this will be our only train in this video. On to the next scene. Roll it. All right, we got a CN train coming down the line. Time is 8:33 p.m. It's like a V actually. No, it's a CN actually. We got 88, 27, no, 2277. Symbol on this train is CN E271, I think. This is 271. This train came out of Montreal, Quebec at the Tasher Yard. Terminates in somewhere in the States. Oh, holy shit, we got another train coming. I'm blocked. I'm gonna get blocked. I should have been on the other side. I'm such a retard. Thought we're gonna get a west eastbound. There is a green light for an eastbound. Lots of auto racks. When is this gonna end? Finally, there's the end of the train. Now the street lights are coming up. Let's see if there's another train coming. Looks like we didn't get blocked at all, so that's great news. Anyways, here comes the next scene roll. I think the eastbound train might be for via 78 because of the timing. Here comes the next scene roll it. Alright, we got a via train coming down the line. The time is now 8:42 p.m. Yep, that's via 78, alright. We got 902 leading. 5 coaches. Symbol on that train was via 78. That train came out of Windsor, Ontario, heading towards Union Station in Toronto, Ontario. All on this April 29th, 2025 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. Alright, this will wrap it up for today's video, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn notification bells on, leave comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Hunter Stewart Hobbies signing off. Peace out, everybody.